Neymar is still a young player and still in development, in my opinion. And he has to learn to play as a player in a team. And he is too much an individual player. So that is a reason that I think you have to pay attention to that if you want to buy him back.
Mm-hmm. So you didn't recommend to Barca to take Neymar back, right?
I don't think that it is good for Barcelona, but that's my opinion.